Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today I'm going to teach you hacks for your wood or your MDF when you have a diode laser like a Glowforge Aura or an M1 Xtool or an Xtool Ultra. You can only cut certain materials. So my goal today is to teach you guys how to take those materials and elevate them into a world of endless possibilities. So let's go. Paint pens are super fun to do anything with detail. I love the versatility in colors and the ability to be able to just get in all the little spots without having to get the mess of a paintbrush and all of the things out. So sometimes I will even opt to do this for bigger areas just because it's super fast and it's actually super satisfying. We love Marvy. They have amazing paint pens. The next one is to use chalk paint because it covers super well and you can cover up mistakes really easily. It also only takes about one layer, so you're gonna cut down on time a lot. Check out the paint hacks video because I'm gonna come out with a lot more ideas just for painting if you like painting. A hack that I love, but I'm including in this video, is to paint and engrave. I came up with this. I'm sure other people have done it, but I just thought it was so cool because you do want to engrave on color sometimes, and painting in between all these little cracks would be a nightmare. Chalk paint and glitter. Instead of using glue, chalk paint holds our fine glitter so good. It'll hold chunky glitter too, but I just want you to see how amazing our ultra fine glitter covers on one coat of paint and one coat of glitter. That's all you need, and you can do so many different colors this way. The next one's HTV. I'm going to be showing a lot of tutorials on this because I'm obsessed with it. This is flocked HTV, and I just cut it out of my Cricut, and then I also cut the MDF out of my Glowforge Aura, and it lined up perfect. And you can do this with vinyl as well. Pardon this shot, I was just trying to do it with one hand, and I haven't done any more projects like this because I'm not the biggest fan of vinyl, but again, cut it with your Cricut and it'll be hopefully the same size. Mod Podge and lace. I will have another video with more extensive Mod Podge stuff, so check that one out, but the lace was super fun and turned out really good. Bling in it. I love adding a pops of bling to anything. This Ursula ear is 2 layers of MDF chalk painted, and just to give it a little bit more pop, I went in and I blinged the tentacles, so you can either bling big parts of your project or you can bling small parts of your project. Felt was a new one. I loved adding it to this cake topper. We were doing a cookie party and I just glued it on top of this wood just to give it a little bit more texture, and it turned out super cute. Felt cuts great on our diodes too. uvdtf is a fun one, and I've been playing with a lot of different ways, but here's just a very easy way if you have any textures printed out. I love ordering textures in my projects when I'm ordering other things because I can use them on tons of different projects just as little accents, and so this was a little label I was doing. And then finally, engraving. It's the basics, but it's still tried and true and super cute. So check out the rest of my laser videos. I can't wait to show you guys more inspiration and all the fun things that we'll be doing with our diode lasers. If you don't have one, check out the links below because you can get discount with my coupon codes or my links. So check them out. Love you guys. Bye.